Hello, this is Brett with Roof MD. We got a call out to one of our customers that's used us in the past, and they said they got golf ball size hail this week. We had some big storms, and sure enough, coming out here, looking at their roof, I mean, it just absolutely got pummeled. We're seeing consistent hail marks. If you get down at the right angle, you can see the dents in the metals. And it hit every surface on this roof, not just one side. You can kind of see over here, you come around, you just start kind of walking around. Pretty consistent markings. Some more there, some more there. Get on this side, it's even worse, so the hail must have come more from this direction here. But you can absolutely see, just got hammered throughout. See, the difference with the hail impact is it's going to be kind of dented in. You'll see insurance try and call blisters sometimes, but those will be more of a pop out, and they're usually a lot smaller than this. So these were consistently everywhere. Start seeing dents in the soft metals. Sometimes they're hard to see without chalk. They're definitely there. We'll go look at one over here further on the roof where there's more light, makes it a little easier to see. Again, consistently seeing hail impacts. A little less on this side, but they're still occasionally there. Bunch here, and a bunch on this side over here. When we get into the metals, you kind of get down low, you can see dent and the dent. Down here, it's even easier to see. Get down low enough, there's dents everywhere in this thing throughout. Also, the gutter screens got pretty pummeled. It's hard to see, but the edge of the gutters have little dents in them too. So after we get off this roof, we're gonna go look at the downspouts and any other metals and plastics throughout the home. Just see if we have other damage throughout that just helps indicate that insurance needs to buy them a new roof and potentially other accessories as well. So if you need help with a insurance claim, Roof MD specializes in it. We work with any insurance carrier and homeowner to ensure that the homeowner gets the best possible roof that they deserve under their policy, and they're protected. We'll come and advocate for them and help them as much as they need with their claim.